So as I said to you, for the first time, I had a conversation with my parents comfortably. When I used to call or talk to them, I used to always getting upset, disappointed, and taking whatever is in this part of the conversation in a negative way. Okay, and because I'm still angry, I'm still not happy, and still frustrated. Okay, so after attending this course, I learned that there is some issue and there is some people you cannot when you wait for forgiveness or you give forgiveness, you don't wait for reasons. You don't wait for apology. So you don't wait for reconciliation. You give that forgiveness and that's it. And you close that chapter. You start a new page. So it was completely relieving for me. So now I'm feeling really comfortable.
One of the session, the exercise, what we made during this program was to, doing interviews with friends and family members. So I've done 4 interviews who are very close friends, and the lot of points what actually being said to me, those were exactly matching to the SWOT analysis. What is the tool actually, and as well as the personality profile report. There was complete correlation what people observe and this PPR and SWOT reports what I see. I was really surprised.
I felt loved and respected by my friends and family, and my personal relationships, I would say, mainly because of the morning affirmations, fills my day with a lot of positive energy. So with that positive energy, I continue my day with a lot of positivity. And my friends say, they like to talk to me now. I'm more approachable. And even my children, they say, we have made, Mom, our relationship has gotten better. Earlier, we used to not communicate so much. So these days, you speak to us and not order things. So this was a different situation earlier. It used to be only we listen and you keep talking. So now we communicate both ways. So that's the difference that I've seen.
Now, the main thing or a game changer for me was following the not to do list. So most of the programs will talk about, these are the things you should do. And, you have to follow this, you will attain some goal. No, here, it's entirely different here. So the not to do list is very powerful. So I started using that on a daily life. So by applying, listen to people, give the respect to them, and don't be a silent listener. So it's more of them or more of you than me. So that's actually a very phenomenal shift of thinking. And people started asking me curious questions. What happened to you? Or I can see that from the circle which I interact with my team. They finally came into me and what happened to you? So what happened all of a sudden? So that is the kind of transformation. I don't say it is 12 weeks. It is that even I count the seconds with this program, which helped me to grow to that stage.